I'm gonna do an update on the C7. All right, this is just an update. So I took this car out, I drove it, and I didn't make a video of it, but I bought some mounts and stuff for the next time I take it out. So I'm in the shop. It's probably 2 o'clock in the morning, and I took it out, and the car is acting weird. So I didn't have a wideband in this car because it's a bolt-on kit. You don't need a wideband or whatever for it. So I got the gauge installed, but this is the P3. I'm wiring the O2 sensors for the car. So I already got the wire harness coming from over here, and then it's gonna go over there, and they're gonna O2 sensor and all that. And I already got everything bolted up, but apparently I was idling the car too long because I couldn't drive it. So I was idling it, and I guess I fouled the plugs out. So I guess I fouled the plugs, and I got scared because the car wasn't making no power at all. So it scared me. I thought I blew the engine up or something, but so I ended up taking it back apart, all the way back apart, and with the street tune, you're not supposed to have. You're supposed to have the stock cats, so you can see I removed the cats, so I can put this O2 sensor in right there. So that's the factory O2. That right there is the one for the gauge. There's the plug for it. So I removed the cats, and I guess the previous owner already put a watt pipe or a catless cat back on it, so I didn't even know that. So I have no cats on it, so it might be making too much power for the injectors, so you can't see it. So I wired in the flex fuel sensor, those wires, those black wires. So I got a flex fuel sensor going in, and that pink wire and that white wire is for the flex fuel, so I can see how much flex fuel it needs. And I bought HP tuners just in case I have to tune the car. So I'm gonna go out and do a light pull with it, well, 4th gear pull. I'm gonna break the motor in, so I'm not gonna show the video. I'm gonna have to break the supercharger in. I'm sorry, pro charger. Breaking the pro charger, and then after that, I'm gonna do a 4th gear pull. And I was just looking for a 12-volt source to send to the 12-volt source for this thing right here. Wideband. But yeah, I'm just gonna go through the cigarette in the console. So I gotta take that console back apart and just tie it into that cigarette lighter. And that's when I get my 12 volts and for the O2 wideband. And yeah, so I'm looking forward to taking it back out and hopefully have some videos of me driving it. So that's the update. So that's what I'm working with right now. Later. I'm sorry for I'm sorry for the sniffing. I'm sick, but I'm gonna get this car running. And then I gotta wash it. It's dirty. The kids been walking around touching on it and putting their fingerprints and stuff on it, so she should be good. Can't wait. So I got all the wires on this side up. That's the box zip tied there. Yeah, this is from when I tune it, so I can just tuck it. So I'm working on this. That purple wire is the wire I need So all I have to do now is take this and take this wire to this and just pull it straight through. And then I'll just solder it to that purple wire. This thing only takes 3 volts. 3 amps. 12 volts, 3 amps. So, I mean, my charger, my cell phone charger is 3 amp charger. So, the same amount of amps to charge the cell phone. One cell phone. So then I just gotta take all those wires and tuck them behind this carpet, which is easy. All I'll do is pull this carpet down. Just tuck it behind there. So I basically just twisted them together enough and I solder it. All right, that was a pain. So I ended up mounting it up there. There you go, the ethanol sensor wire. There go that wire tank, and those are just spare wires. I got it all tucked up. Ground wire right there. So I'm just gonna put the 3 bolts back in and put it back together. I'm gonna put a zip tie right there though, and yeah, there she is. Mount it up and go ahead and get that O2 sensor taken care of too. See, the supercharger's not as loud no more. Look, now quiet up a little bit. But look, air ratio. So, my new gauge set up.